Water is the most powerful force on Earth, and we're only just learning how to control it. Beneath the surface of 2026, there's a wave of inventions transforming how we move, relax, explore, and survive, all powered by water in ways that feel almost unreal. These aren't distant concepts or viral prototypes. They're real products you can actually buy right now. If you think you've seen everything water can do, wait until you see what's coming next. Number 1. Most boats move through water. This one slices through it like it owns the ocean. The Jet Capsule SS, new, fast, light jet capsule, isn't just another luxury vessel. It's a reimagining of personal marine travel. Traditional yachts are bulky, slow to maneuver, expensive to maintain. But this is compact power wrapped in futuristic design. A sleek capsule that glides across the surface with speed, stability, and unmistakable presence. Step inside and it feels like a private lounge floating above the sea. Panoramic windows, smart layout, protection from wind and spray without sacrificing the view. It's built for quick coastal escapes, island hopping, or simply turning a normal weekend into something cinematic. Lightweight engineering means agility, powerful propulsion means thrill, and its unmistakable shape means you'll never blend into the marina again. In 2026, mind-blowing water inventions aren't just about floating, they're about freedom, speed, and style in one seamless experience. And once you see a Jet Capsule SS cutting across open water, ordinary boats will suddenly feel outdated. Number 2. The ocean has always been a mystery, beautiful, powerful, and just out of reach. But what if you didn't just sail across it? What if you explored beneath it? The Uboatworx NEMO series, first volume-produced submersible, turns that dream into reality. Not a military vessel, not a research prototype, a real, privately owned submersible you can actually buy in 2026. Designed for simplicity and comfort, NEMO's transparent acrylic sphere surrounds you with breathtaking 360-degree views. Coral reefs, shipwrecks, marine life gliding just inches away. You're not watching a documentary anymore, you're inside it. Compact, easy to launch from a yacht, and engineered for safe, controlled dives, it transforms ocean exploration into a personal experience. The NEMO series doesn't just take you underwater, it gives you access to a world few humans have ever truly seen. And this is only the beginning. Number 3. The water has always called to us, but speedboats are loud, jet skis are bulky, and freedom on the waves often comes with limits. Now imagine gliding across the surface, silently, effortlessly, like you're riding pure energy. The iOZEANS new E-Waterbike generation transforms ordinary waterfront moments into adrenaline-filled freedom. This isn't just another toy, it's a new way to experience the ocean in 2026. Electric-powered and precision-balanced, it delivers smooth acceleration without the roar of fuel engines. No heavy machinery, no complicated controls. Just lean, ride, and feel the instant response beneath you. Lakes, marinas, open sea, they all become your personal playground. It's compact, easy to handle, surprisingly powerful, and most importantly, it makes the water feel alive again. The iOZEANS E-Waterbike isn't just about riding waves, it's about redefining how you connect with them. And trust me, this is only the beginning of what's possible on water. Number 4. Luxury on water has always meant noise, fumes, and compromise. Power came with pollution, speed came with chaos. But what if elegance and silence could move this fast? The Frauscher Porsche 850 Phantom Air luxury electric day cruiser redefines what it means to own the water in 2026. This isn't just a boat, it's a statement. Inspired by Porsche performance DNA and crafted with Frauscher's precision boat building, this electric day cruiser glides forward with instant torque, smooth, controlled, and breathtakingly quiet. No engine roar, no vibration, just the sound of water slicing cleanly beneath you. Conversations stay effortless. Sunsets feel cinematic. Every arrival feels unforgettable. The sculpted deck, premium finishes, and spacious lounge layout turn every outing into a private escape. Weekend getaways become refined experiences, marina entrances become moments. And because it's fully electric, you're not just cruising in style, you're embracing a cleaner future without sacrificing performance. The 850 Fantom Air doesn't shout for attention, it commands it with silence, speed, and pure presence. In a world full of ordinary boats, this is what happens when automotive excellence meets open water. And trust me, this is only the beginning of the water revolution. Number 5. What if the road didn't have to end at the water? For decades, land and sea have divided our adventures. You drive, you stop, you switch vehicles. The moment breaks. But the WaterCar EV, electric utility vehicle, erases that line completely. One minute you're cruising down the street, the next you glide straight into the lake. No drama, no delay, just seamless transition from asphalt to open water. Powered by electric performance, it delivers smooth acceleration on land and quiet propulsion on the water. No roaring engines, no fumes, just clean, futuristic freedom. Weekend trips become effortless. Beach houses feel closer. Waterfront living becomes an experience, not a hassle. The WaterCar EV isn't just transportation, it's versatility reimagined. In 2026, the most mind-blowing water inventions aren't concepts anymore. They're vehicles that refuse to choose between road and waves. Number 6. Power used to look predictable. Long hulls, loud engines, the same silhouette cutting across the same water. But then something different arrived. The Tropida Cosmic 39. Power has a new shape, doesn't just move through the ocean, it reshapes how we experience it. This is performance sculpted into something bold, almost futuristic. Its aggressive lines aren't just design, they command attention the moment you leave the marina. And when you throttle forward, it's not chaos you feel, it's control, precision, stability at high speed that turns rough water into smooth confidence. Every detail is built around impact, spacious decks for social moments, a cockpit that wraps around you like a command center, the kind of presence that makes every arrival feel like an event. This isn't just about horsepower, it's about identity, about owning something that doesn't blend in with the fleet. In 2026, the most mind-blowing water inventions aren't just faster boats or bigger yachts, they're experiences that redefine freedom itself. And the Cosmic 39 proves one thing: power doesn't just move fast anymore, it makes a statement. Number 7. Waves used to decide everything. No swell, no ride. No wind, no thrill. You waited, you hoped, and sometimes you went home disappointed. But what if the ocean didn't control the experience anymore? The LiftFoil's eFoil Lift 5 electric surfboard changes the rules completely. This isn't surfing as you know it. This is flight above water. The moment you ease onto the board and press the wireless throttle, something unreal happens. The hydrofoil lifts you silently above the surface. No engine roar, no crashing waves, just smooth, weightless glide. It feels less like riding the ocean and more like floating over it. And here's the real magic. You don't need perfect conditions. Calm lakes, big waves, or hours lost on noisy, cumbersome boats. The Lift 5 creates its own momentum, giving you total control over speed, balance, and flow. Beginners can learn with confidence. Experienced riders can carve, accelerate, and push limits like never before. Every ride feels cinematic. You're not battling the water, you're dancing with it. In 2026, the most mind-blowing water inventions aren't just faster boats or bigger yachts. They're experiences that redefine freedom itself. And the Lift 5 proves one thing: the future of surfing doesn't wait for waves, it rises above them. Number 8. Why should adventure stop where the road ends? For years, land and water have forced you to choose. Park the vehicle, launch the boat, break the momentum. But the Yamaha CrossWave Amphibious Watercraft erases that boundary completely. This is freedom without interruption. Picture this: you're driving along the coast, music playing, horizon wide open. Then you see the water, and instead of stopping, you keep going. Smooth transition. Tires give way to hull, the shoreline disappears behind you. No trailers, no complicated setup, just pure, seamless motion from land to lake. Built for stability and control, the CrossWave doesn't just float, it performs. Confident handling on the road, powerful glide on the water. Every movement feels intentional, engineered, ready. Weekend trips become spontaneous, hidden coves become accessible, waterfront living becomes effortless. This isn't just another recreational toy, it's one of those rare, mind-blowing water inventions you can actually buy in 2026, a machine that refuses to respect boundaries. Because the future of adventure isn't about choosing between land and sea, it's about owning both. Number 9. The water has always been a playground, if you were willing to wait for the perfect conditions. Calm lakes, big waves, or hours lost on noisy, cumbersome boats. But what if you could rise above it all? The Navier N30 Pioneer 2 electric hydrofoil makes that possible. This isn't just another watercraft, it's a personal flight machine for the ocean. Smooth, silent, and effortless, it lifts you above the surface so every ride feels like gliding on air. Electric power means quiet, clean, and instant acceleration. Hydrofoil technology ensures stability and precision, so beginners can learn quickly, and pros can push every boundary of speed and maneuverability. Lakes, rivers, and open seas suddenly become playgrounds without limits. Every moment on the N30 transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. You're not fighting the water, you're dancing with it. And in 2026, this is one of the rare, mind-blowing water inventions you can actually buy in 2026, a machine that turns every ride into a cinematic adventure above the waves. Number 10. The ocean has always been a boundary. You can watch it, admire it, but rarely conquer it. Until now. The E-JetCycle, flying on the sea, transforms water into your personal playground. One second you're gliding along the shore, the next you're soaring above the waves, weightless, effortlessly, with nothing holding you back. Electric power delivers silent, clean acceleration. Intuitive controls make every ride smooth and responsive, so even first-time riders feel like pros. Every lake, every bay, every coastline becomes instantly accessible, turning ordinary weekends into unforgettable adventures. The E-JetCycle isn't just a watercraft, it's freedom, innovation, and exhilaration rolled into one. In 2026, this is one of the rare, mind-blowing water inventions you can actually buy in 2026, and it changes the way you move across the water forever. Number 11. The water has always called to us, but too often it comes with limits: noise, fumes, instability, the thrill of the waves overshadowed by the compromise of ordinary boats. Enter the ENVGO NV1 electric hydrofoil boat, a machine that doesn't just skim the surface, it rises above it. With hydrofoil technology, the NV1 lifts effortlessly, reducing drag and giving you the sensation of flying silently over the water. Electric propulsion means instant, clean, and whisper-quiet acceleration. Every ride becomes smooth, controlled, and exhilarating. Lakes, rivers, and open seas transform into your personal playground, whether you're chasing adventure or simply savoring peace and freedom. The cockpit wraps around you like a command center, intuitive controls making every maneuver effortless. Compact and agile, the NV1 delivers efficiency without compromise. Weekend escapes become spontaneous. Moments on the water become cinematic. The ENVGO NV1 isn't just a gadget, it's freedom reimagined, a new way to move and one of the most mind-blowing water inventions you can actually buy in 2026. This is what the future of personal watercraft feels like, soaring above the waves, in complete control and utterly unforgettable. Number 12. The water has always been a playground, but most of the time it feels out of reach. Waves too small, boats too heavy, or engines too loud. Freedom on the surface has always come with compromise. The Valo Hyperfoil Alpha, lightweight electric hydrofoil, changes all of that. This isn't just riding water, it's flying above it. The moment you ease onto the board and engage the electric motor, the hydrofoil lifts you smoothly, silently, effortlessly. You're not skimming the surface, you're gliding, almost weightless, above it. Its lightweight, agile design makes every maneuver responsive and intuitive. Beginners gain confidence with every glide. Experienced riders carve, accelerate, and push boundaries like never before. Electric propulsion delivers instant power, whisper-quiet operation, and zero emissions, making lakes, rivers, and open seas your personal playground without compromise. Every ride feels cinematic. The wind in your face, water reflecting sunlight beneath you. The ordinary transforms into extraordinary. Weekend adventures become spontaneous. Commuting becomes exhilarating. Every moment on the Hyperfoil Alpha reconnects you with the thrill of the water has always promised. The Valo Hyperfoil Alpha isn't just a gadget, it's one of the rare, mind-blowing water inventions you can actually buy, a machine that turns every ride into pure, weightless freedom above the waves. Number 13. The water has always promised freedom, but most boats deliver noise, fumes, and compromise instead. The Candela C-8 Polestar Edition 100% electric changes everything. This is a vessel that glides above the waves, almost weightless, with zero emissions and whisper quiet power. Every ride feels effortless, clean, and utterly futuristic. Its hydrofoil technology lifts the hull above the water, reducing drag and giving you smooth, energy-efficient acceleration. Commuting across a bay, exploring hidden coves, or simply enjoying a sunset on the water, it turns every moment into a cinematic experience. Inside, precision design meets intuitive controls. Every maneuver feels natural, every journey exhilarating. Compact, efficient, and fully electric, the C8 Polestar Edition lets you experience speed and luxury without compromise. This isn't a concept or a prototype. The Candela C8 Polestar Edition is one of the rare, mind-blowing water inventions you can actually buy, redefining what it means to move, explore, and feel alive on the water. Number 14. The water has always called to us, but most of the time it feels just out of reach. Waves too small, boats too heavy, or engines too loud. True freedom on the surface has always come with compromise. Enter the TheHydroflyer electric hydrofoil board. This isn't just riding water, it's flying above it. The moment you step on, engage the electric motor and feel the hydrofoil lift you smoothly, silently, effortlessly. You realize the rules have changed. You're not skimming the surface, you're gliding, almost weightless, above it. Its lightweight, agile design makes every maneuver responsive and intuitive. Beginners gain confidence with every glide. Experienced riders carve, accelerate, and push boundaries like never before. Electric propulsion delivers instant power, whisper-quiet operation, and zero emissions, making lakes, rivers, and open seas your personal playground without compromise. Every ride feels cinematic. The wind in your face, sunlight dancing across the water, moments that turn ordinary afternoons into unforgettable adventures. Weekend escapes become spontaneous. Each session reconnects you with the thrill of motion and freedom the water has always promised. The TheHydroflyer isn't just a gadget, it's one of the rare, mind-blowing water inventions you can actually buy, turning every ride into pure, weightless exhilaration above the waves. Number 15. The water has always promised freedom, but too often it comes with bulk, noise, and limits. The Yamaha WaveRunner ultra-lightweight jet blaster changes all of that. Sleek, agile, and built for pure exhilaration, it puts you in total control, slicing through waves with unmatched precision. No heavy machinery, no complicated setup, just instant acceleration and responsive handling. Lakes, bays, and open seas instantly become your playground. Weekends transform into spontaneous adventures. Every ride feels cinematic. Wind in your face, water sparkling beneath you, and total freedom under your command. In 2026, this is one of the rare, mind-blowing water inventions you can actually buy, a machine that turns every ride into pure, weightless exhilaration above the waves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Futrix for more amazing technologies.